Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we are back. What's up, freaks? Your pal out here. Today we are back at Universal Studios, Florida, preferably the Islands of Adventure. We're gonna check out what's going on here, see the new construction of the new rides that are happening, probably meet up with somebody who you might be all too familiar with, if you've seen him before. Without further ado, let's freak out.
Please stand clear of the doors.
As with any day of adventure, you must refuel. The only way to refuel the proper way is with a salted caramel mocha frappuccino from Starbucks. You know what? As much as I drink this, you should really start sponsoring me. Starbucks, my phone is always free. Well, except for the $2.95 per minute thing, but we can wait that for you. We can wait that for you. Well, those kids can dance. I remember when my cousin used to do that kind of thing on stage. My cousin Becky. She's really good. Shout out to you, Becky. Let's go check out these rides. Looking like Universal's dressed up for Christmas already too. Looking good. Crowded day, we're gonna ride this. It's a little bit too crowded right now, as you can see. So I just wanted to get the old man on film. Judging from the bikes, the X-Men are out. Oh, they're there. Lovely. Are we in Disney? Are we in Disney World? No? So there's a new roller coaster coming to Universal Studios, Florida, and that roller coaster is the Jurassic Park coaster. As you can see, this coaster is being built as we speak. Still got a couple more months left into it, but it's looking like it's gonna be crazy. We're gonna make sure that we cover this for the time that we have here. Should be open by the time my annual pass is up. And if it isn't, well, I just may have to renew it. Because I'm gonna tell you one thing, I'm gonna be on that baby. Woo. Two things I like in this life, dinosaurs and roller coasters. When you combine the two, let's just say I freak out. Ah, look, the Dino Land of Universal Studios. You get it? You get it? That's it. That's a Dino Land joke, you know? You know how Dino Land is, well, you get it. You get the idea. It's looking like Popeye's raft ride is under construction of some sort. I hope they're not taking it out. It says set enhancement in progress. So hopefully it'll still be here, just getting some improvements. If you know anything about this, leave it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. I actually like this ride, even though it just killed like 5 of my best cell phones. Fun fact, out of all the years that I've ever been here, that I've been coming here, I've never ridden this ride. Never cared to. Judging from that, we're not gonna ride it today either. Nope. Nope. I prefer the drier side of Islands of Adventure. I'm not gonna have that monkey on my back. You know what I mean? More walls are up. They're building. They're building. Can't wait for this one. I want you guys to understand the scale magnitude of this ride. We're standing directly in the middle of what will be the Jurassic Park roller coaster. On this side, it's going to be roller coaster, and on this side, it's going to be more roller coaster. It's going to take up this whole entire section, and I don't know if we're going to be able to walk through it, but I'm pretty sure we will be, because we're going to have to get to Hogwarts somehow. I don't know if they're going to redirect the path, or if we're just going to walk right directly underneath and through the Jurassic Park roller coaster. Whatever they're going to do, it's going to be cool. It's going to be really cool. As we make our journey across Islands of Adventure, I'm going to keep on looking for more little Easter eggs we can look at to Jurassic Park roller coaster from all different directions and sides and different angles. So stay tuned, keep watching, and hit the like button. Really help me out. Copyright. Well, somebody's ready for Christmas. Fantastic. Here's another quick view of the Jurassic Park ride under construction. We gotta hurry up though, because I ain't supposed to be here. Looks like they ironed out all the problems with Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure Roller Coaster. Jesus, that's a long name. It's only 120 minutes now. My times are getting scarce. Soon we'll be riding it. I don't know about if we're going to be riding it today, but soon. Over here across from Podiatrist. You know what I mean. Poseidon's Fury. Another great spot to check out the Jurassic Park roller coaster. All right, everybody, get out your oohs and your ahs and your wows. Get a good view right here. You can also get a good view over at the pterodactyl flying, whatever the heck you guys call it. But I don't have a 12-year-old with me, so not gonna be able to get on that ride just yet. Maybe I'll bring Aiden out here and we can jump on it to get a better bird's eye view once they start installing the track. But here it is, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. Jurassic Park roller coaster, nice. Like I said earlier, that's just one side of it. the other side's on the other side of those walls, and unfortunately we can't get any really good view of that because there's nothing else back there other than, well, you know, like back staff and stuff like that there. But I'm not gonna have them pull a woo on me, if you know what I mean. I'm not making fun of you, Adam. It's, you know, it's facts. One more fun thing here I want to talk about. You know, all the years that I've been coming to this location, I have never seen a fountain show or anything like that on this lake. But if you look really closely, I'll try to zoom up right here. If you look really closely, you can see these pumps in the water. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have ever seen anything like fountains or shooting water or anything like that come out of this lake. Because all the years I've been coming here, the only thing I've ever seen is that over there. Whatever the hell that is. But enough about that, we gotta go meet up with our special guest. He's waiting for us on the other side of the train. We'll see him over there. You'll see what I'm talking about. You're gonna be so surprised. Ah, here we are. It's chilly in London. Right. Now, where is my friend? My mate. Or comrade. Around here somewhere. A lot of people know about the entrance to Diagon Alley right here, but not too many people know about the side entrance. That's right, I said side entrance. I'll show you. If you just walk due north, straight down, I don't know if it's north, but straight down here, there's another little hidden entrance right here off to the side. If you go down it, sorry, take you right here. Interesting. You want to escape the crowd, because usually it's really packed trying to get through that little hole in the wall. No pun intended. Might want to take the side entrance. It's comfy, and it's you know, it's quiet. It's not like you got to worry about any dragons around. You know what I mean? Holy crap! Took him forever to do that. He's really dragging it out. Oh, we're gonna go meet up with our special guest. He's a rather big man. You may have seen him before. There he is. Optimus Prime. Your old friend. Actually, that's not who we're meeting. In fact, that's not who we're meeting at all. Actually, he's right over here. There they are. No, that's not them either, actually. No, we're not meeting them either. In fact, they're walking away. That's him. What's up, dude?
What's up, bro? How are you? Doing good?
Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. How are you? I'm gonna be famous on them YouTubes.